How do you lose a whole airplane? Not a model, but a 120-foot-long Boeing 737. It sounds like the start of a bad joke, but for Air India, it was a very real and very strange reality. Imagine this. You're the new owner of a major airline, and you get a call from an airport asking you to please come pick up your abandoned jet that has been sitting there for over a decade. That's exactly what happened. Deep in a corner of Kolkata Airport sat a 43-year-old Boeing 737-200, registered as VT-EHH. This classic jet started its life with Indian Airlines back in 1982. Later flew for Alliance Air and was even converted into a cargo plane for India Post. But in 2012, it was grounded in Kolkata and then forgotten. Completely, it vanished from all official records, as if it never existed. This wasn't just a simple filing error. The plane was left out of depreciation schedules, insurance records, and maintenance logs. It was a ghost on the balance sheet. When the Tata Group took over Air India, this phantom jet wasn't even part of the deal because, on paper, it didn't exist. This incredible oversight highlights the messy, outdated systems the airline was running on before privatization. Think about it. For years, no one in finance, maintenance, or management knew they were still responsible for a massive multi-ton aircraft. The story gets even more interesting. Apparently, this plane VT-EHH was stored alongside another classic jet VT-EGG. While VT-EG was eventually moved and famously turned into an aircraft-themed restaurant in Rajasthan, its sibling was left behind, collecting dust and racking up parking fees that nobody even knew they owed. The discovery of this forgotten plane forced a massive internal audit. Air India's CEO, Campbell Wilson, pointed out that this incident perfectly illustrates the massive cleanup job the Tata Group has on its hands. They're not just buying planes. They're rebuilding an entire system from the ground up, modernizing everything from IT to asset tracking. So what happened to the ghost plane? After being rediscovered, VT-EHH was finally sold. The details of the sale are private, but it marks the final chapter for an aircraft that time and an entire airline forgot. It is a wild story that shows just how complex it is to turn around a legacy carrier. What do you think is the craziest part of this story? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you love strange aviation tales like this one, make sure to like and subscribe for more.